Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can put Chrome search bar on home screen. You may ask like there is Google search bar and why we need this Chrome search bar instead of Google search bar. What is the specialty to have this Chrome search bar? I'll tell you. See, actually, if you can observe, along with the voice search, along with the normal search, there are few more options like Incognito won't be available on Google search bar. See here, just with the one tap here, just now Incognito window, the Chrome window has opened. As Incognito is private, my screen recording doesn't record that, so I am unable to show that. But just with one tap here, just open Incognito window, and the Dino game, the popular Dino game without internet, you can play this also with one click. You can open here. Yeah, tap to play. Okay, I'll be just exiting this. And how you can keep this is pretty simple. First of all, I'll try to remove this first, and I'll try to add it from the scratch. So right on your home screen, just press and hold for few seconds, long press on your home screen. So this will open the widgets at the bottom. See here, at the bottom there is an option called widgets. You need to just tap on that widgets, and under Chrome you will find this normal search bar and the search bar with the incognito and the other options. Just drag here and drop it over here, and now you can adjust the size. And here there is Google Lens also, but this Google Lens also will be available on the Google search bar. And from here you can directly access the search. So here you can search anything. Okay, Lenovo laptops or something like that, directly just like Google, you can directly search. Everything is similar, only these extra options. Okay, if you feel this tutorial is helpful to you, please do hit a like for this video so that it would be really help me. Yeah, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.